visit the website, please search on Google at www.faricon.in. Please check all products on the website. Please check all products category-wise. Select any one of the products and continue. Choose any one of the product colors and any on the size like small, medium, large, XL, double XL. Please click on product photo and check front and back side and extra. And then continue to add to cart. And click on checkout. And fill in your details like first name, last name, email ID and phone number, address like home and office and area, pin code, city and state. Fill your full details. Order payment method. Select any one of the options for payment like cash on delivery and Paytm, Google Pay, debit, credit card. Select coupon code because there is a 10% discount on all products. Coupon code is Faricon 10 and this coupon code available on website. And then place your order. Thank you for place order on Faricon.in and please note your order ID. Thank you for watching this video.